Hi guys, I'm QB from Tech Engineer and today I'm going to unbox Google Nest Hub 2nd generation. Google Nest Hub 2nd generation has gotten no change in its design, so it looks pretty similar to its predecessor. The only main addition in Google Nest Hub 2nd generation is that it has a soil radar, and that gives it an edge on its competitor, and that's the only wow factor in this Nest Hub. So I will quickly unbox it and let's see what comes inside it. So this is Google Nest Hub 2nd generation. I will put this on the side and let's see what else comes inside the box. So here we have some manuals and warranty card from the Google in different languages. And this is the charger. And this charger comes with a pretty long cable. I think it's approximately 2 meters. If you have the previous generation of Google Nest Hub, then you can see that the design of this generation and the previous generation is pretty similar. So before going to set it up, I will talk about the sleep tracking technology. A camera can easily track the sleep, but problem is people will not allow the cameras in their bedroom on privacy concern. So the soil radar technology was already present in Google's company as they have used it before in their phones. But this time they have used this technology for sleep tracking. Sleep sensing uses motion sense to track the sleep of the person closest to the display. With low energy radar, motion sense detect the movement and breathing. Other sensors in the Nest Hub will detect the sounds like snoring and breathing, other factors like temperature and the light in the room. That's how sleep sensing determines not only when you went to the bed and how long you slept, but also the quality of your sleep. I will test it on myself and see how well this sleep tracking is. By the way, I have no issue with the sleep. Anyway, I will tell you guys about that in full review. So now I'm going to set this device up. So after the little animation, it is asking me to install the Google Home app on the mobile, which I have already did. So I'm going to just select the Google Home app. So here I can see the option of setup Nest Hub. So I'm just going to click on that. So I have to give the location in order to control this device. So I have already put my home address in there and I'm going to do the next now. Now it is looking for the device. And it already found the Nest Hub. So it is asking me to set it up. So I will say yes. And now I have to scan the code. And now it is connecting to the Nest Hub. It is saying that your phone or tablet may disconnect from the Wi-Fi during this setup. And it is connected to Nest Hub, and now it's saying to help improve Nest Hub. So I will say yes, I'm in. So now it is asking for the location in which room I will put this device. Because of the solid radar and the sleep tracking, I will put this in the bedroom. Here I can select the custom name for the bedroom, but I will leave it like that. And now it is asking me to connect to Wi-Fi and choose the Wi-Fi network you would like to connect with your Nest Hub. So I will select my home Wi-Fi. And you can see now the Nest Hub is connected to my Wi-Fi. And here are the details of some services and recommendations, which I will go through them later. And now it is saying to activate voice match on this device. So I will say next for now. So my voice was already set up, so it took me directly on to turn on quick gestures. And here it is asking me to practice the quick gestures. So I will go to next, agree to the quick gestures. I will skip this for now, YouTube Premium. I will select the default music service is YouTube Music. You can choose whatever you like. For link video services, I will skip that for now. You can choose your background for your display if you have photos on your mobile, for example family photos. I will skip this for now. And it is now giving a preview of sleep sensing, and it will tell me how this technology will work. Here's the some preview of sleep tracking from Soil Radar. I have selected all these options because in order to get a better sleep tracking, it needs these options. I will skip this, more data. I will set up my sleep schedule, which is around 11 to 6:15 in morning. And now it is giving me a review what I have set up for this device, so I will continue here. And now it will tell me about the controls on the Nest Hub. It has an ambient EQ light sensors. This automatically adjusts the screen brightness to blend into the room. Change volume, mic switch, and it's saying bedroom 2 display is ready. And now it is set it up. The new Nest Hub also comes in 4 colors: chalk, charcoal, mist and sand. The display doesn't feature a camera like the Google Nest Hub Max or similar priced Amazon Echo Show 8. This is not good for the people who like to make video calls, but good for the people who like privacy. As most smart speakers and displays should, the Google Nest Hub 2 features a physical microphone switch on the back, so you can disable its microphone when you don't want your assistant listening. There is also a volume rocker on this side, which is located exactly on the same position as its predecessor. One thing which is improved is the processing chip, and the data will be processed onto the device. On the Nest Hub, your assistant should learn your most common commands over time, as well as process the best Google Assistant commands overall, without sending data to cloud. There are 3 mics in total, an upgrade on its predecessor, and it should make it easier for your assistant to recognize your voice from different locations. There are also touch gestures to pause and play the video on Nest Hub due to Soil Radar, but you have to be fast and precise with your A tab to successfully pause or play video. You also need to be standing directly in front of the display for this thing to work. This is all for today. Thanks for watching, and please also subscribe to my channel and see my other videos.